We've now had a chance to touch on Node.js and learn a bit about server-side technologies. With that under our belt, it's probably a good time to shift gears and head back to the front-end side of things. And in this series, we'll be exploring how to build front-end applications with the React.js library. React, as their homepage puts it, is just a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. They have all kinds of other fancy language here, but we don't want to worry about that for the time being. The most important thing to know is that React just makes it easier to design and build complicated UI. Because as our applications grow, especially in the front end, the complexity grows with it. And managing that can be difficult. So React offers an opinionated approach to front ends that is centered around components and passing data in one direction, what is called unidirectional data flow. And if none of that makes any sense to you yet, that's totally okay. I don't recommend learning React by talking about it or reading the homepage. The docs are pretty good though, so I do recommend reading the docs if you get a chance. But instead of doing all that, we're just going to create an app ourselves and learn React by writing React. And that may sound silly in theory, but in practice it'll make more sense. So the easiest way to get started is to head over to your terminal, and I'm going to do that in VS Code here, and punch in npx create react app, and I'm going to name this app playlist generator, and then hit enter. Now npx comes with npm, so if you haven't installed npm yet, you should do that. And it's just a tool that executes npm packages without having to install them globally on your device. It's going to run this create React app script for us and set up a React app called playlist generator. And it's going to install a bunch of dependencies for us, handle all that stuff, all this magic that's happening in the background. And we don't really have to worry about that too much. Just know that it is working and it's the recommended way to start a React app in most situations. And once that's done, which may take a minute, it will have a brand new React app ready for us. And you can see it already creating this application here in this folder. And if we open that up, it's already starting to build a bunch of files, folders, and a node modules directory where it's installing all the dependencies required to get React working on our machine. And with that, that's pretty much all we need to get started. And so it's finally finished building, and we are good to go. It tells you what to do. Just type in cd playlist generator, yarn start or npm start, and your app is up and ready to go. But before we do any of that, let's explore what Create React App has built for us.